Alright guys, hello. This is lesson 5.4, geometry. And you know what, let's just kick it up a slight notch because I think that area was kind of boring for you. So we're going to do composite figures, which just means more than one shape together. Okay, that's all it means. So an example here, number one, I want to find the area of this. Maybe this is your deck out back, okay, and you want to find the area of it because you want to paint that floor or stain that floor. Well, this is a composite figure. It's two shapes. If you notice, the top one is a rectangle, okay? And then look, this bottom portion here that we can separate would be a trapezoid. So we're going to use two area formulas. We're going to use the area of a rectangle. So let's get those formulas up here first. Do you remember the area formula for rectangle? And if you don't, look at page 1 that I finally put on EDSB. Area formula for rectangle is base times height. And then the area formula for this trapezoid right here, okay, is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. So we're just going to use both of these formulas. We'll find the area of the rectangle, we'll find the area of the trapezoid, and then we'll just add the two answers together. Okay, so first thing you want to look for is in the rectangle, do we have the base and the height? Well, there's your little 90-degree box. So look, 12 is going to serve as your base, and 23 is going to serve as your height, or if you want to call it length and width. I just call it all base and height. Here we go. Doesn't matter which, let's do 23 times 12. Okay, everyone's with me? Yeah, a lot of times you probably heard for rectangle length and width. I just try to keep it all uniform and just call it base times height because it works for rectangle, square, etc. All right, 23 times 12. All right, so 276 centimeters squared is just, it's not the answer to the question, it is just the area of that rectangle. Okay, now looking at the trapezoid, see how this is a base because these two sides are parallel? Well, I've got the 15, all right, I just need this other base. Well, look up here. If 23 is running from here to here, then this is also 23 centimeters. Okay? Then the only thing I'm missing is I need the height of this trapezoid. So I'm going to go ahead and write in a height. But if you notice, I have this 18 centimeters over here, which is from right over here all the way down to here. But look, from here to here is 12. So look, 18 is the total, 12 is from here to here. So if I take 18 and subtract 12 and I'm left with 6, this portion here is going to be 6. Okay? So again, from here all the way down to here is 18. 18 take away 12, and I have that 6 left over. All right, now we can go ahead and plug and chug into our trapezoid formula. So equals, leave the 1/2 alone. So your bases, remember, are going to be the 15 and 23 because they're the parallel sides. And then the height was that 6 that we wrote in there. All right, remember to do the parentheses first. So 23, 33, 38. All right. I would just type it in like it is, 0.5 times 38 times 6. You're going to get an area of 114 centimeters squared. Okay, so 276 is this room. 114 is this room, if you want to call it like a separate room, okay? And then we're going to add those babies up and get the total area. So the total, the final answer, if you will, is 390 centimeters squared. This is the final answer. Okay? Kind of interesting, huh? A little bit different. You're just going to divide up the given shape into 2 or more shapes. All right, let's try one more problem. I was looking at this one because, you know, I got a lot of time on my hands. Let's try one of these shaded area problems. I like these. Okay, so let's try number 7 here. And where'd that eraser go? Here it is. Lord, I need to have this attached to me, right? Okay, so we're going to find the area. This section is finding the area of this shaded region. Okay, so take a look. All I want, okay, is this shaded section here. And I'm sure right away, do you notice this whole rectangle? Okay? So the whole rectangle, I'm just going to use base times height. That's just how I do it. If you want to do length times width, that's fine too. I'm going to find you the area of that whole rectangle. So 25 times 14, I hit enter. All right, the whole rectangle is 350, and again, centimeters squared. All right, that's this whole rectangle, but I don't want the white triangle. So what we're going to do is find the area of the white triangle, and then we'll subtract, like we're cutting that out. Okay, so area formula of a triangle. Hopefully you're getting these memorized. Okay, I need the base of the triangle, and I need the height. Now, listen, no matter the orientation, if you're looking for base and height, it's all about that 90-degree box, baby. So look, 11 is attached to this side over here. But look, crappage, I don't have anything. But if you jump across and see that 25 is also going to be here. What am I trying to say in English? 25 is the base, and 11 is the height. We're going to plug it into that formula. Equals 1/2 25, right? 25 times 11. Type those babies in for me. Who can beat me? Let's see who can beat me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. Excellent, Melanie. Yes, 12.5. Don't know how you got that so fast. All right, so 12.5. Oh, wait, what? Oh, no, that can't be right. Yeah, let's try that again. 0.5 times 25 times 11. Oh, 137.5. That makes more sense. So, Melanie, you were right. I was wrong. All right, then I'm going to take these two answers and I'm going to subtract. So 350 is the entire rectangle. Subtract the 137.5. All right. 350 is the whole area minus 137.5, and you get your answer 212.5 centimeters squared. All right, guys, good job. Take it easy and make sure you get your work done. All right, see you later.